Hey everybody, Garden Gate's May 2022 issue is out, and I'm so excited about it. I just wanted to show you a few of the articles if I could. For starters, take a look at this garden on the cover. Isn't it so pretty? This is a garden that our photographer Jack and I visited last summer in Maine, and we got to meet Aaron and Dan Clark, and they told us all about how they built this garden, and you'll get to read all their secrets on page 54. And in this article and in the research while we were there, we learned that the garden's only a couple of years old. I just couldn't believe it. So you'll get to learn the secret to its quick start if you read the article. Another thing that is in this issue that I'm excited about is on page 14, and that is an article that my friend Linda Vodder wrote for us, and it's all about how to create your own topiary. And if you follow her on Instagram or on YouTube, you'll know that she adores topiary and has lots of it. And so she does this all the time, and I love that it doesn't have to be an expensive proposition to create your own topiary. You can use, like she does, you can even use seedlings, juniper seedlings that have popped up in your flower borders to create just really sweet little topiary displays. And Sherry's put together this comprehensive guide to deadheading perennials, and in it you'll find out which plants you should deadhead, which tools work best for deadheading, and specific information on 57 different kinds of perennials, probably many of them which you might already be growing. This is the kind of thing that you'll just refer back to for years. It's so handy. Another thing that we pride ourselves on at Garden Gate is always including lots of actionable plant how-to information in every issue, and in this issue it's no different. We have this really colorful but useful story on how to grow impatiens, and you'll see that here. This is this Shade Garden Annual. There's a lot more variety to this plant than you might think, and one of the things that I love about the story is the how-to information in it, and Sherry will show you what the secret is to salvaging those plants that you've purchased and brought home from the garden center that sometimes can be kind of lanky after they've sat on the shelves at the garden center for a while, and so she'll show you how to get those back so that they are compact and blooming all summer, and your shade garden will be so colorful after you read this article. You'll also find our favorite fragrant flowers. You'll get some recommendations on creating spectacular coleus displays from Chris Turner, who's an Indianapolis garden designer and coleus collector. You learned 6 ways to create mystery in your garden design. We've designed an exclusive garden plan for a colorful border around a patio. And as always, you'll get to see our popular reader tips and questions pages. You can find this issue in mailboxes and on newsstands right now, and so I hope you'll check it out. If you're not a subscriber and you'd like to be one, you can subscribe by clicking the link in the description below.